roll up.
So the last day of rally, I'm very happy because we reached that. Only 120 kilometers of special stage left to us, and I wish we will reach the finish.
I'm really disappointed because our target was top 10 and we was in the top 10 after 2 difficult days in the military territory. But yesterday, like you know, we had an accident, so we get 1 hour penalty. Today just we will ride for fun, and next year everything from zero.
The 2020 Breslau Rallye have finished. The last special stage was very fast, a lot of navigation. One time I lost my road, but find it and we have finished.
So we're in the finish. Audra made 0 mistakes in navigation. Everyone made a lot of mistakes. We made a lot of takeovers, and we're really glad we're in the finish line. Today we're in the top 10 minimum, and we're really happy that we made the Breslau Rallye.
Very good organizer, very good tracks, a lot of navigation. Last 2 days is very hard with navigation at polygon. I'm very happy to reach that. Overall, I reached the 4th place, and next year I will come to reach the top 3.
I'm really glad that we are working and driving CFMOTO, because after all this race, about more than 1,000 kilometers, everything is fine. Yes, we made a few mistakes, we have some problems, but overall we're really happy and the technique is really great. We made a lot of attention in our team and our technique, because everyone knows the Can-Am, the Polaris, the Yamahas, the Arcticats, and the first time the factory team in this race with the CFMOTO, and prove a lot. So they are talking about that, they are focused in that technique, so we're happy about that, and now it's time to think about next year.